Welcome to Whiton Hall. This is a shared living experience just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Every tenant in Whiton Hall gets their own private bedroom, and there are communal bathrooms, communal kitchen, and a communal lounge on each floor for tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment 110, a room on the ground floor. Let's head on in. Every apartment in Whiton Hall comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and desk chair, a dresser, a full-size bed, and a bookcase. Each room has plenty of closet space and also has a microwave and a mini refrigerator. This room has 4 tall floor-to-ceiling windows that face north, east, and south. Lots of morning light in this room. Finally, one great feature of Whiton Hall is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Rent for Whiton Hall apartments includes all utilities: heat, water, trash and recycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Thank you for coming on a tour of Whiton Hall 110. Call us today for availability.